Well, in 2002, I was attending a buddy's going away party here in Birmingham, Alabama, and he shared the idea of a golf tournament. In fact, he invited me to play in his golf tournament the following weekend, which was a buddies trip, a Ryder Cup style, two teams, competitive golf, but for golfers of all skill levels. I was unable to play in the tournament that year, but I took his idea. I learned a lot about it, and the following year, Memorial Day of 2003, we started the Memorial Cup. It was a buddies trip down in Gulf Shores, Alabama, and it has grown since then. Here we are 20 something years later, and we are still running the Memorial Cup. And it's a combination of competitive golf, team match play style golf for golfers of all skill levels, that also combines a time of fellowship, men's fellowship, where we spend the evenings around the dinner table talking about life stuff. And it's a great combination of both life and also competitive golf at a retreat style world class venue. Over the years, we've started a similar event for juniors and for families, and we call that event the Joshua Cup. It got started in 2013 as a girls only event. We just had four young ladies that participated in that inaugural event. And now here we are over 10 years later, and it has really become an elite event for top junior players all throughout the southeastern part of the United States. We have a great partnership with the Nota Begay, the third junior golf national championship. In fact, qualifiers through that organization earn their way into the Joshua Cup. So it's uh, just golfers, junior golfers of a very high skill level. But at the Joshua Cup, we do the same thing as the Memorial Cup. It is a combination of both competitive golf and fellowship. So we have meals, we have family gatherings, we have opportunities to really get into life stuff, and some of those difficult conversations. It's just a really unique combination of fellowship and golf, and it's competitive golf. Team uniforms, team captains. We have captain's trophies that are perpetual, so the winning captain takes the trophy home for the year. They bring it back the next year. We have most outstanding player awards, which are named after very important people, key people that have been part of our organization over the years. So it's an honor to win those awards. We go to great places. We've been to Pinehurst. We've been to Scottsdale. We've been to the Disney World courses. We've played the Robert Trent Jones Trail all across Alabama. We've been to Bay Hill down in Orlando. Just lots of great places, and that's a big part of what people look forward to when they think of our events. So it's been amazing to see how God has blessed these events and this organization over the years. It truly is a combination of connecting golfers to God.